Did you know by 2020, the affiliate marketing industry is expected to be worth $6.8 billion a year? Retail giants like ClickBank pay out millions every year to affiliates. And as an affiliate, your job is to find people who want to buy products and send them to a website which sells that product. They buy, you get paid commission. It's that simple. And some products pay you as high as 75% commission on the price of the product. This complete setup gig lets you start doing affiliate marketing in the correct way and makes you multiple commissions and at the same time build an email list to make passive income. I have been working with internet gurus to create niche funnels for many years for them to generate income online, so I know what works. I have been providing service on Fiverr since 2016. 24/7 quick response and after-sale service gained me more than 300 positive reviews. Order now and start generating income online by doing affiliate marketing the correct way today.